Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by minimizing variables. Disconnect external drives and printers so Windows isn't hung on a device. Once done, force a restart by holding power for 10 seconds. This clears transient hangs. If the system still stalls, boot into Advanced Startup using F8 or Shift plus Restart. This gets you to Safe Mode and Repair Tools. You need Safe Mode because it loads a minimal driver set, which helps isolate whether drivers or system files cause the loading freeze. Now, in Safe Mode, open an elevated command prompt to run SFC and DISM. SFC repairs corrupted system files and DISM restores the system image, so run both in sequence. Next, if you recently installed updates or drivers, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point. This undoes problematic changes without deleting personal files. Also run chkdsk/f on the Windows drive to repair disk errors that can block booting, and make sure you follow reboots between commands. To finish, attempt a reset PC using Keep My Files if repairs didn't restore loading. This reinstalls Windows while preserving data. After each action, test boot and record any error message or stop code because that guides the next step. If problems persist, perform hardware checks. Reset RAM and the SSD/HDD, try alternate ports or a different drive, since faulty hardware often mimics software hangs. If all else fails, consult professional repair with your recorded errors to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.